to the child component by passing data from parent component to the child component. Okay, now in this video let's see how we can pass data from child component to the parent component. So before, what we had used, we had made use of @input, right? Because we got input data from parent component, that's why we use @input. So in this case, what we have to do, we have to output the data from child component to the parent component. So let's do that next. Okay, so we need to make use of @output. Okay, and let's specify an event for this. For example, a button, so that on click of that button an event will be triggered. Okay, and that event will display on console that the data has been received from the child component to the parent component. Okay, so let's name this as event click equals new event emitter. Okay, we need to make use of event emitter in this case. Okay, so to do that, for triggering this event, let's create a button over here inside our template. Okay, after this development, let's create a button. Okay, class equals, let's specify some bootstrap styling for this, that is btn hyphen primary. Okay, and here I am going to specify event binding, that is click event. Okay, so this is the event handler click I am using here, so that on click of this button what should happen, that we have to specify over here. We are going to call a function over here, that is handle click method. Okay, and let's name this button as click. Now we have created the button also inside our template, and we are going to handle this function, that is on click of this button this function should be called. Okay, and whatever the function which we are calling over here inside our template, we have to specify implementation of that inside our component class. Okay, so we have to specify here, that is handle click. This is the name of the function which we are using. Okay, and here I am going to, on click of this event, I want to emit some of the details of this event. Some of the details means, suppose I want to emit the name of this event. I want to emit the name of this event from child class to the parent class, that is child component to the parent component. Okay, so to do that, we have to make use of this dot event click, which we have specified over here, dot emit. Okay, and dot emit method, and here inside this we have to pass this dot event dot what you want to emit, that is name I want to emit from here. Okay, so I am going to specify here this dot event click dot emit. So inside this event, I am going to specify the name of the event, that is event dot name. This dot event dot name will get the name of this event. This data I am going to pass from the child component to the parent component. And here we are getting this error because we have to import it. Okay, so we have to import component input. Along with these two, we have to also import output and event emitter. Okay, event emitter. Okay, now from the child component I am passing this data, that is event name I am going to pass from the child component. I have to receive this component, this data inside my parent component. That we have to do next, because here we are using @output. @output, what we are doing, we are triggering this on click of this event, that is on click of this button we are going to call this function. Okay, which will emit the name data from child component to the parent component. From parent component we have to receive this data now. So let's go to the parent component, events-list component.ts. So here we have to make necessary changes where we can receive the data from the child component. Correct. So here I am going to specify event binding. So event binding is used for getting data from the child component, right? So we have to make use of event binding. Event click equals, I want to specify the name of the function where I can receive the data from the child component. So I am going to name this function as handle event clicked. Handle event clicked. On click of that event, on click of that button, this should be called. Okay, and here $event I am going to specify over here. Now whatever the function which we have declared over here, which will get the data from the child component, that is event click, on click of the button, that we have to provide implementation inside our component class, where we have to receive the data from the child class. So this, whatever the function which we have provided over here, the same name we have to implement over here, that is handle event clicked. So this is the name of the function, and we have to pass data. Why? Because we are going to receive the data from the child component, right? So we have to pass data as a parameter. Okay, and this data will be, I want to display on my console, that is console.log. I want to display a message that it is received. Okay, so received. What did I receive? I received the data from the child component. So these are the changes which we have to do from the parent component side. Now from both sides we have handled, correct? Because from the child side we have already specified the data which we have to pass, and from the parent side we are going to receive the data, correct? Now we have to compile this. So it got compiled successfully. Let's check the output, whether in our console, whether we are able to get this data that is received successfully. This is what we are going to display the message, right? So let's see that. Okay, so it got compiled successfully and got hosted into localhost colon 4200. Okay, so next let's open the browser, localhost colon 4200. Let's load this page. Now you can see that click button is getting displayed over here, because we included button also inside after our development. Okay, now let's open the console to check whether the message is getting displayed, whether the whatever we passed from the child component, whether it is reaching the parent component or not. Okay, let's open the console. Let's clear this. Now I am going to click on this button. Okay, on click of this button, now here you can see that received Pharmatech Expo. What is Pharmatech Expo? It is the name of the event, because we are passing name of the event from the child component class. See, if you observe over here, this .event.name, this .event.name is the name which we are going to pass from the child component to the parent component. So name of that is Pharmatech Expo, because we are going to get this data from here, that is event1 object. Event1 object, we are going to get this data from here to, by making use of property binding, we are assigning these values here, correct? Now by making use of event binding, we are binding that to button click event. Button click event, what should happen? It should display a message that the data has been received from the child component. This is what we are going to display here. This is the message which we are getting displayed on our console, and data is the data which we are getting from the child component. Child component we are passing event name. So Pharmatech Expo is the name of the event. So this data is getting displayed. This message is getting displayed on our console. So this is regarding child to parent component interaction, passing data from child component to the parent component. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, comment and share this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel in order to watch more videos.